my past, present, and future position on Nigeria are governed by several publicly available parameters. First is the role Providence conferred on me in bringing the tragedy of the Civil War to an end. It ended on the noble and brotherhood advocating law of no victor, no vanquish. If it pleases God to enable me to play an important role in this defining chapter in the history of Nigeria, the least I can do in reciprocation is to keep vigil over the peace and stability of this nation in whatever position of leadership I find myself. As I remarked at the recent occasion of the visit of leadership of People's Democratic Party to me, I have been for quite a while now, and for the rest of my life, my response to the solicitations of the delegation in this respect. And I quote, that if I retire from partisan politics, if politics is welfare of the people, I must not retire from the welfare and well-being of the people, whether in my own community, in my own state, in my own country, anywhere in Africa, or indeed anywhere in the world. And that is why I have the type of responsibility that I have now. As the quadrennial madness builds the head of steam and the runners and riders crisscross the nation in the quest for nomination as the party flag bearer to the highest office in the land. I read and hear about endorsement and statements in support of candidates that I frankly have not made, and forming next political party that I can never get involved in. Why people do this, I don't know. I was told that social media credited to me names of 3 people from the South that I am sponsoring for presidency in 2023. If I will sponsor people for presidency, it won't be 3. I would be able to sponsor 3 at the same time. But how did this come about? I don't know. My friend Professor Abdullahi, who brought this to my knowledge, remarked that he did not believe that I made such a statement because it was out of my character. I have neither named names nor stated my position. In situations like the one we are in, I will not rush into naming names without necessary consultations and well-defined principles and criteria. We need to be clear about what Nigeria needs today and why Nigeria needs it. Only then can we answer the question of how. That will inform us of the criteria and characteristics for determining who. I believe in principles before personality. And taking personality before principles is putting the cart before the horse. As for me, the major issue is how to progress Nigeria from a country to a nation. The last part of our talk of building a nation where truth and justice will reign. We have truth and we have justice on the basis of which we can build a nation. If in 2015 Nigeria was 75% a country and 50% a nation, today Nigeria will not be more than 50% a country and 25% a nation. because of how far we have come to. The task of reversing the trend is beyond one personality, one political party, or all political parties. It is beyond professional and commercial politicians alone. It demands and requires all hands on deck. I mean Nigerians in all walks of life: politicians, community leaders, traditional leaders, religious leaders, diplomatic leaders, leaders in the academia, leaders in all aspects of government life, and leaders in other aspects of the civil society. Nigeria is totally, and for as long as we continue to put the cart before the horse, it cannot work. Or put another way, as long as we continue to do the same thing over and over again, the result will not be different. If the trick is not solved, the remaining 25% of Nigerian nation will be dissipated in no time. And Nigeria will not be a country, but countries, and will never be possible to be a nation again. That will be a monumental tragedy for Nigeria, Africa, the black race, and for humanity. Since 1999, we have changed from one political party or another. We have maneuvered and manipulated to the point that the election results are no longer reflections of the will of the people, and we seem to be progressively going back rather than going forward politically, economically, and socially. We have activities without requisite action, and personnel move us forward. If we continue in the same pattern of recycling, sweet talk, sweet word campaigning, maneuvering without substance of integrity, honesty, patriotism, commitment, outreach, courage, understanding of what makes a nation and what makes for development, we will soon have to say goodbye to Nigeria as a nation. I cast a cursory look at some of the people running around and those for whom people are running around. If EFCC and ICPC will have done their job properly and supported adequately by the judiciary, most of them will be in jail. Any person who has no integrity in small things cannot have integrity in big things. Fixing Nigeria must begin on the principle of nation building, not necessarily on emotion, sentiment, euphoria, ignorance, incompetence, ethnicity, nepotism, bigotry, sectionalism, regionalism, religion or class. The issues of security, stability, development, economy, and our relationship within Africa and with the rest of the world can only be taken care of if we get the issue of nation building right.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.